What's up, guys? This is Jake, and today we're taking a look at the Xtreme Comforts bamboo cover pillow. Guys, I've got some good news. This might be the one. So I've actually been going through this process for a little while now. I am looking for the best pillow. I have two pillows that I've been using for far longer than I want to admit, and I am in the process of reviewing a lot of different and testing out a lot of different pillows. I slept on this one last night for the first time, and guys, this might be the one. At this point, I no longer judge pillows by price point. This one I really didn't have a lot of expectations for because of the price point it was at, but this thing has outperformed so many pillows that were more expensive. So first things first, when I got it, I stuck this in the dryer for, I believe it was 20-30 minutes, somewhere in there. Fluffed it up really well. The instructions also say, which I didn't bring over here with me, unfortunately. Actually, I'm gonna go get them, 1 second. Okay, I've never done that on a video. I apologize, guys. So the instructions right here: adjustable thickness, bamboo shredded memory foam pillow. It shows you right here how you can fluff it. It'll appear flat. Remove and put it in the dryer for 20 minutes. If you don't have a dryer, there are all the instructions, and there is all the stuff you need right there. So apologize for going to get that in the middle of the video. But guys, this pillow was phenomenal. I'm a stomach sleeper or onto the side. I have this weird habit, I don't know if anyone else does this, of putting my arm under my pillow. So I really need a thin pillow. Like, I don't want something crazy thick. And this one was perfect. Like, this one was actually the first one I've had that I think is better than the one that I've used. Again, I don't want to say how long because it's embarrassing, but for a very, very, very long time. So if you're looking at a pillow, to this day have yet to find a better pillow, especially at this price point. So I think this one at the very least is worth testing out. Grab it, see if you agree with me. And if not, you can always return it. But I love this pillow. I'm really excited to give it like a week or two of testing to see if it keeps performing as well as it did last night. Hopefully this was helpful, guys.